Hello all, welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to demonstrate the Pragmatic Delivery Control apps. So first of all, going to installing the apps. So these are the apps like Delivery Cash Wallet and Pragmatic Delivery Acknowledgement and the Delivery Confo and Delivery Control app. These all are the apps. When installing the all-in-one module, so other modules are automatically installed. After installing these modules, going to the settings and the users. Here at last they have a pragmatic driver. If you have a driver, we can to enable this and the delivery control app. We can to set you are a manager or user. We can to set here and also if you have a delivery manager, so we can to enable here. And next I'm going to the configuration part. Going to the settings and delivery control. So this is the delivery configuration like enable the delivery boy portal and the customer acknowledgement nothing but this is the OTP verification like that after the in delivering time the OTP verification we can to enable. And we have also a signature verification we can to enable this. So the delivery time we can to signature to verify that particular order. And we can to enable the broadcast order and the delivery charge configuration we can to enable the delivery charge and the routing configuration to here. So we can to configure the routing to here like first order to first delivery route and nearby routing we can to select this configuration. And also we can to set the Google Map API key. And these all are done, the configuration part is done. Then I'm going to the module delivery control. These are the outview of the delivery control module. They have menus like all pickings, reject pickings, drivers, reporting, configurations. First of all, I'm going to the all pickings. So this is the all picking view. They have a lot of orders are there like accepted by drivers orders and assigned orders, created orders and delivered orders. All orders are showing to here. And next I'm going to reject picking. This is nothing but the all rejected orders are showing to here. And next is I'm going to the drivers. So drivers have a two sub menus are there, all drivers and cash wallet. So we can to create the drivers to here. And next is cash wallet. So that particular driver can how many amount is collected, so that amount will be showing to here. And next I'm going to the configuration part. We can to set the delivery boy store configuration. So we can to create to here. And next we can to set the store configuration to the store configuration menu. And next I'm going to the reporting. We can to show the picking order analysis to here. The all created and delivered and payment collected all orders are showing to here. And next I'm going to create a new sale order. So going to the sale and click to new button. And first of all add the customer. So I'm going to add the customer name Rafi. So that time the customer addresses will be automatically came. And also here the distance in kilometer is updated to here. This distance means the current company to that particular customer, that distance will be showing to here. And next I'm going to add a product. So I'm going to add iPhone. Then going to save the order and confirm and create the picking orders. So I'm going to click the create picking order. So the picking order is will be created and also the delivery charge added to the sale order line. Then I'm going to picking order. In this picking order, they have a three main buttons are there like assign driver, broadcast order, and create patch orders. So first of all, the assign driver, we can to assign the driver to the this order. We can to assign that particular driver. And next is broadcast order. Broadcast order is nothing but when click to the broadcast order, this order send to notification like all drivers which driver will accept first, that time this order to assign that particular driver. And next is create batch order. So first of all, click to create batch order. There are two main things are there. First of all, the customer routing and nearby routing. The customer routing is nothing but the customer route, that particular route have any one more orders, we can do assign these orders all in that particular driver. If you have in to select the driver, or we can to assign the existing orders drivers. And next I'm going to the nearby routing. So when I enable to nearby routing, that time the current order latitude and longitude to adding to here, and the current radius, the 5 kilometer, we can to set the current radius kilometer, so that 5 kilometers near all orders are set to that particular driver. Next, they have a priority are there, so we can to set the priority. So when I set the priority high priority, that time that priority base the driver orders will be showing. So I'm going to assign a driver Arpit and assign. So the order can assign that particular driver. So I am logging as a Arpit. Okay. So that Arpit driver. And this driver have a delivery route are there, a broadcast order are there, open jobs are there. So when I assigning order, that time the open jobs here, the that particular order will be showing. When I click to view location, that time the driver can see the that particular location, like here the we are noticing like current location is A, warehouse is B, and order sequence is C. And next I'm going to the open jobs and click to that particular order, and driver can accept that order. We can to driver have two options, one is accept order and second is deny order. So I'm going to accept that particular order. So the order will be accepted by the driver as RP. So I'm going to the login as a manager. Here they have a button will be showing to pick it. So I'm going to click to pick it. So that time that particular side order invoice will be confirmed. And next I'm going to that particular driver. Here there are collect payment and sign button will be enabled. So first of all, going to collect that particular customer payment. When I click that collect payment, that time the payment is collected, and they have a verification like sign. So when I click that sign button, we can do add the digital signature, or we can do upload the signature also. When I click to OK, that time the signature will be uploaded, the message will be showing, and back to click to that back to order. So they have a delivery order will be button will be enabled. So I'm going to the backend. Here the sign will be stored into customer signature page tab. Okay, they have a then I'm going to the that driver login, then click to delivery order. So this time the delivery acknowledgement code will be entering. So I'm going to the manager as in the chatter or email the delivery code will be sent. So when I click to copy and paste here and OK, that time that delivery is delivered. So when I go to the backend and refresh, that time the state will be changed to delivered. So the driver can collect that payment, so that payment driver to send the particular company, so collect payment from the driver. So when I click that, the payment is collected, state will be changed to payment to collected, and also the invoice will be paid. And after the delivery, when I'm going to the mail, that particular customer mail, here a mail will be sending. So here a feedback link is there. So when I click to that feedback link, here that particular customer name will be automatically came, and customer can give this their feedback for that particular driver and but that particular delivery. So here to add the writing, and we can to add the message. So I'm just add to good service and submit. That time that particular customer feedback will be submitted. Then I'm going to the particular app, delivery control app, in the configuration part, in the feedback. Here that particular feedback will be saved to here, like the customer name and the rating and the submission date and the sale order, delivery boy pick, all are to showing to here. And here also the reporting also there, the customer reporting. So they are writing feedback, customer feedback reporting also there, we can to see here. This is the our delivery controlling app. Thank you.